Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco C75 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you remove the yellow box here, you will find here at the other side the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And by the way, I'm having here not the Indian version, so if you're in India you will have here a charger and a USB Type-C cable as well included. Okay, if you don't have this SIM ejection tool, then you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. So let's start now with the main SIM card. You will place it here in the middle. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner here at the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add now also optional a second SIM card. Belongs here to the first position. Be careful that nothing jumps out. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So the same thing, the SIM card is having a missing corner, belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And yeah, the contacts are as well below. Okay, if you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a micro SD card here. The micro SD card belongs here to the last place. Okay, and this is how it should look like then. The micro SD card fits only like that. And yeah, of course, you can use it also with just one SIM card. Anyhow, if it's one or two. And here as well, the contacts, they are below. And if you're ready with anyhow with which construction, then you put it back here into the SIM slot. Take care that nothing jumps out and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.